How to fix the system cannot find the file specified error. Here, let me show to you what I mean. In this Windows, you can see when I want to change the disk later or format, I get this error message. The system cannot find the file specified. Now, in this video, I'm showing how we can fix this issue. Click on Start menu. Type to search CMD. Right-click and then select Run as administrator. Here, click on Yes to continue. Enter these codes. Disk part. Press Enter on your keyboard. Type in list disk. Press Enter on your keyboard. Here, select the disk that we want to fix. Type in, select disk 1. Press Enter. Type in clean and press Enter. There you will see disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Here, type in Convert GPT. Press Enter. Type in clean and then press Enter. Type in Create Partition Primary. Press Enter. Type Select Partition 1 and then press Enter. Type in Active and then press Enter. Now enter this code. Press Enter. Done. Here you can see the disk is now fixed. Type in Exit twice to close this CMD. I can now do whatever you want, like change the latter, format, and many more with your disk. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and troubleshooting tips. See you next time.